Hi, in the last video you learned how to use the at around advice, and you also learned how to alter and intercept the method parameter and as well as the return value. And in this tutorial you will learn how to use at before and after advice. Okay, so let's delete this and have the we will start with the add before advice, and we will pass our p1, that is the point code. Okay, so let's define the method public void monitor execution before monitor execution before. Okay, and we will set this logger dot info, and let me write execution is about to begins. Okay, so now when before the method start the execution, then we will know that the method is about to execute using the add before. Okay, let's save these changes and run. It will inform us that it is about to execute. Okay, you can see we have these from the service monitor execution before, that is the method info execution is about to begins. Okay, and we can, after the execution is about to begins, you can see our method is executed. So now we can use at after advice again, change the method, change the name, executed, the method executed. Okay, so let's save changes, that it will print this immediately after the method has finished the execution. Okay, now let's run this. You can see the method is executed. Okay, so and here is the method, that is the call for the method. So this is what you learn here, that is the after and before advice. See you in the next video.